everybody, Tall Family Films here. If you've got a Ford Ranger in 1990s, late 80s, and some into the 2000s, you need to remove the bed off the truck. Maybe you're working on the fuel pump, and I definitely recommend that's the way to go for the fuel pump. It's very easy. There's 6 of these bolts. There's one here, and then there's 2 more as you go up. You can see way up there, there's one there. And then there's 2 more, and then back down to here. So you get all 6 of those bolts out, and then come over here. There's 2 nuts in here that hold this gas nut in place. So there's one right here. There's another one right here on the bottom. You can see that. I think they're like 6 millimeter. I'm not totally sure on that. But once you do that, then the gas inlet, when the cap is off, it'll just fall down inside the bed or inside the, sorry, you may need a bucket to catch it. If you've got a lot of gas in the tank, it may start spilling. At that point, you just get 2 friends on this side of the truck, 2 friends on the other side of the truck, and you literally just lift up the bed, just grabbing it right here. You just lift it up and then move it back. And if it is the fuel pump you're working on, you can just let this part of the truck rest on the tire right here, and that'll give you plenty of room to access the fuel pump. If you're taking it off, then obviously you can just keep moving. There is one other thing. There's some electrical that needs to be taken care of. So you've got some lights here that control the license plate and the tail lights, obviously. And so if you look down in here, you can see maybe there is some wiring down in there. So let me see if I can find it for you. A little better angle on this. Okay, here we go. There's a connector right here. We need to disconnect that connector. When I did this, I think I had to undo one of these lights. They're just a twist and they come out. I think I had to do that on one or both of them in order to make it come out. But anyways, very simple job. Very easy for you to pull the bed out. It's so much easier than dropping the fuel tank. So if this video has helped you, you can really help me by subscribing to my channel. And if you could give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.